Welcome to another Ambitionality software tutorial. In this tutorial, creating my first OpDoc for publishers, we will walk through creating our very first OpDoc from the point of view of a user who has been assigned the publisher role. This will involve creating a new OpDoc and approving it. Let's get started. I am currently logged in as Hubert Farnsworth of Planet Express, who is assigned the role of publisher within the OpDoc wizard. I would like to create a new OpDoc which describes the process of requesting paid time off. To do so, we begin by selecting OpDocs from the OpDoc Wizard menu. This directs us to the OpDoc list screen. Next, we select New OpDoc from the Actions menu, which directs us to the OpDoc Edit screen. We see that there are three text areas: Title, Purpose, and Content, which make up the bulk of any OpDoc. Additionally, there are Positions, Backup Positions, Tags, and Watchers headings under the Relationships area. For the purposes of this tutorial, we will focus only on the title, purpose, and content. All three fields are required in order to save the OpDoc. If we attempt to leave one of these blank, the area is outlined in red and the OpDoc will not. The title of the OpDoc should be short and sweet and capture the essence of the information the OpDoc is intended to present. Think 7 words or less. It may contain any characters except for square brackets and commas. For our OpDoc, we will give the title of Requesting Paid Time Off. Next, we will fill out the purpose. The purpose of the OpDoc should be a short summary of why the OpDoc has been written. Although there is no limit to this field, it is best to keep the purpose statement short. Think 75 words or less. An appropriate purpose for our OpDoc would be to document the process for employees to request paid time off. Finally, we will enter the body of our OpDoc into the Content area. The focus of the OpDoc content is to present the information in a simple and consistent fashion. As such, the editor accepts regular text and only a handful of formatting controls. Advanced editing using these features is covered in another tutorial. For now, we will enter just the text in paragraph form and use the heading formatting feature to separate the content into logical segments. Now we may save the OpDoc. To save, click on the Save and Close menu item. You may also select the Save and Stay option if you would like to save but continue editing. Upon saving, we are automatically directed to the OpDoc Details screen for the OpDoc we just created. Let's take a quick look at what we've done. The title of the OpDoc appears in the menu area just as we entered it. Notice that the status of our OpDoc is in development. This is the default status for all newly created OpDocs and new OpDoc revisions and indicates to any user viewing the document that it is not yet finalized. Next, we see that the purpose we entered is intact and displayed at the top of the OpDoc. Directly below that, we see the content that we entered. If we are happy with the OpDoc, we may now approve it. Approving an OpDoc freezes this revision in time exactly as it is in all respects. Future edits of this OpDoc will result in completely new revisions being created without changing this revision. This helps us to preserve a complete history of the evolution of our OpDocs so that we do not reinvent the wheel in the future or fall victim to pitfalls that have already been experienced. To approve our OpDoc, we select Approve this revision from the Actions menu. We are prompted to confirm that we wish to approve the OpDoc, and so we do. The page refreshes and we see that our OpDoc now bears the In Place status. This completes our first OpDoc and our tutorial. Thank you.